This is a video showing how to pair a SPARK or SPARK LXi to a streaming capable device. First, tap and hold and pull down at the top of the screen. This will display a sharing icon at the right-hand side, so you can share with the streaming device. It will show the device to which it's trying to connect, and then if we scroll up, we'll be able to see the device to which it's trying to pair will identify the SPARK LX or SPARK LXi, and then show the progress of the pairing. When we go back to the home device, the pairing is actually already completed. Now we can navigate to the software that we wish to share with the students on the board in the front of the classroom. We'll do that by tapping on Spark View. We'll wait a few moments for Spark View to finish launching. Already Spark View is being shared with the students on the screen in the front of the classroom. Once Spark View is launched, we'll go ahead and pan to the display at the front of the classroom. And we can see that we have a live display of what is on the teacher device displayed on the front board.